In this video, we're going to talk about how to use zipped folders, and we want to look at why we'd use zipped folders. And for example, we'll usually use them if we have more than one file to deal with. So in this case, we're going to look at two files we're going to put together, and for example, a student needs to put these together to turn them in. First, they need to select them. So what I'll do is I'm going to left click and drag to select both, or if there's just the only two things in the file, I can do Control A and do that to select them, or I can do click and then shift and click the other one. If I have a lot of files and I only want to select ones that are not next to each other, I can use Control. So now that they're selected, I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Send To. And within this sub list, we find compressed or zipped folder. It's got a little zipper icon on there. And so when I click on this, it's going to just real quick make something that's going to use the first file that shows up alphabetically, which in this case was the index.html file. So I'm going to turn this into a file name according to our class procedures. I'm going to say 5-sample page 01 dash my ID number dash the version. So now I've got a zipped folder. Now when this gets there, it needs to be turned in. Let's see how to unzip this. So to get stuff out of a zipped folder, you're going to use right click and extract all. And so by doing that, we now extract, and it opens up in a separate folder. And that folder is inside the same folder where the zipped file is.